I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can fix Marvel Revels stuck on loading screen. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys multiple methods because this is a very common problem that a lot of people experience when they download the game. Like at first, when I first started playing the game, I didn't have this problem. It happened like after the update. So I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this problem right now. So first thing, you want to go to library. Okay, so after guys you click on library, you want to find here the game. You want to click on right click on the game and click on properties. Okay, after guys you click on properties, you want to go to installed files. Okay, so after guys you click on installed files, you want to click here, it says verify integrity of this of the game files. Okay, this is going to take a few seconds. It will just fix corrupted files. I mean corrupt files. Okay, so that's exactly what it's going to do. We just need to wait a few seconds. Okay, so it will search for broken files so that you can fix them automatically. So that's exactly guys the purpose of this. After, it's going to take a few seconds. Just wait for this. Okay, now next tip guys is you want to click here again on installed files and you want to click on browse. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you, like I said, multiple methods on how you can fix this problem. Now after that, you want to scroll down at the very bottom and you want to search for Marvel Revels launcher. Right click on it and you want to click on here, it says show more options. Okay, so after that you want to click on properties. Okay, so after that you want to click on compatibility and here you want to check this box where it says run this program in compatibility mode. Okay, make sure you select here Windows 8. Okay, after that you want to check these top boxes where it says disable full screen optimizations and you want to check or press this or run this program as administrator and make sure you click on apply. Okay, so after guys you click on apply, next thing you need to do guys is, as you can see here, I'm going to go back. You want to click again on the game, right click and then click on properties and click on installed files, and here if you can see here move game files or something like that, you want to click on it because I have only two options here. If you can see move folder files, click on it and move that to SSD if you have it. Okay, that will fix the problem 99% of the time. Just move it. I did that before on my other PC and it worked perfectly. Okay, so you just need to move it to SSD and it will fix the problem. So another way guys, you want to right click on the game and you want to click on here manage and click on browse local files and you want to play the game from here. Okay, from the just search for the location of the game and you want to right click on the Marvel Revels launcher, right click on it and click on run as an administrator. It will this is not going to work for everyone. I tried it, but sometimes it doesn't work, so you can just play it from the folder location here. Okay, so you can play it here inside the folder location, I mean. So that's exactly guys how you can fix the problem. If it does work, please drop a like. If it doesn't work, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.